Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your phone to the computer with a reliable USB cable and unlocking the screen. Once done, make sure mobile data is on and battery saver is off so tethering can run at full speed. You should set the USB connection type to file transfer or USB for data. This allows the device and PC to negotiate a network interface quickly. Do this now so the phone and computer can detect each other before you enable tethering in settings. You now enable USB tethering in the phone settings. On most Android phones, go to Network and Internet, Hotspot and Tethering, then toggle USB tethering. On iPhone, open Personal Hotspot and allow USB connections. While you do that, your computer will often auto-install a USB network driver. Let it finish. If you need to, open your PC's network connections to confirm a new wired/USB adapter appears. This step creates the gateway. You finish by confirming the PC can browse. Check adapter status and IP address to ensure the USB interface received DHCP. If there's no internet, first toggle USB tethering off and on, then unplug and replug the cable. Make sure VPNs or strict firewalls on either device aren't blocking traffic. If the computer shows no adapter, install or update the phone's USB/network driver. This single action often resolves driver-related failures and restores tethering quickly. That one troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.